This has been a quarter of strong deal wins and execution for us. Our revenues grew by 2.2% year on year and 1.1% quarter on quarter on a constant currency basis. On a year on year basis, our rupee revenue grew by 3.5% to reach 61,237 crores. Our continued focus on operational excellence helped us achieve an operating margin of 26%, representing a sequential expansion of 98 basis points over Q3. With this, our operating profit stands at rupees 15,918 crores. Our net margin for the quarter has come in at 20.3%, translating to 12,434 crores. Again, this is an expansion of 90 bips of net margin. Consequently, our EPS has reached 34.37 from 32.14 in Q3. Cash from operations stands at 12,480 crores, which is 100.4% of net profit. The new growth markets of India, Asia Pacific, Middle East and Africa and LATAM had a very strong growth, validating our approach of portfolio diversification. Especially our revenue from India grew by 37.9% year on year. Among the major markets, UK grew by 6.2% in spite of economic environment. North America degrew by 2.3% and Europe by 2%. Reflecting the overall market uncertainties in major markets. Among the verticals, manufacturing continued to have a strong growth. Manufacturing grew by 9.7% and energy, resources and utilities grew by 7.3%. Our platform business also had a strong growth aided by recent wins. Banking, tech and services and CMI continued to have negative growth. Our customer metrics continue to improve. The number of customers from whom we make more than 100 million rose by 2 to 62 customers on a year-on-year basis. There has been strong customer movement across all other bands also. In addition, our customer base of million plus stands at 1,294, an increase of 53 over last year. Our deal wins were at an all-time high this quarter. Our order book closure for the quarter stands at $13.2 billion. This represents a year-on-year growth of 32%. Our order book for North America stood at 5.7 billion, BFSI at 4.1 billion and consumer business at 1.6 billion. Our attrition has moderated to 12.5% and our headcount stands at 601,000 plus. On a full year basis, our revenue for FY24 stands at rupees 240,893 crores, representing a rupee growth of 6.8% and dollar growth of 4.1%. This amounts to 3.4% in constant currency. Our operating profit for the year is 59,311 crores at a full year operating margin of 24.6%. Our net profit for FY24 is rupees 46,585 crores at a net margin of 19.3% and a full year EPS of 127.74. Cash from operations stands at 46,932 crores, which is 102.2% of the net profit. For the full year, UK grew by a healthy 10.1%, while North America and Europe were flattish at minus 0.2% and positive 0.7%. Reflecting the strong growth throughout the year, India grew by 20%, LATAM by 12.4%, and Middle East and Africa by 14.5%. Among the verticals, banking degrew by 1%, consumer business grew by 1.8%, and manufacturing by 7.3%. In the same period, life sciences grew by 4.8% and ERU by 12.6%. In FY24, regional markets, which includes our platform business, had a strong growth of 19.8%. The board has proposed a final dividend of 28 rupees, amounting to about 10,130 crores. This is in line with our practice of returning 80 to 100% of free cash flow back to our shareholders. Subsequent to the launch of our AI.Cloud business unit, we are seeing an increased traction in the marketplace. We have won more than 200 engagements in AI so far this year. The number of engagements going into production is steadily increasing. Our AI and generative AI pipeline has doubled in the quarter to $900 million. Our investments on research and innovation continues. For the full year, we applied for 735 patents and were granted 1,041 patents.